Okay, you're with us here on Midcap Radar. The market is up almost 50 points. So it's a good pickup. 10,837 is what we are seeing. The only thing is that the mid and the small cap part of the market is not sort of picked up more. So it's not put more distance between the broader market and the Nifty. One would have thought as the Nifty picks up, the gains on the broader market would also expand, which is not exactly what has happened. I mean, you know, we are up and not very far from the day's high, but it's not substantially, the difference is not substantial in that sense. But it's a good-looking screen across the board, and I think it's a function also, of course, of the global cues, which are pretty positive for risk assets. We'll have European market opening in, I think, a couple of seconds, and that should provide us with further cues. Samira, afternoon.
Hi, Prashant. Good afternoon to you. And, you know, the global screen has actually been on fire. I mean, look at the way Asian markets have closed.
China, I mean.
Yeah, Shanghai, Shenzhen, they've exited the bear market territory up about 5.5%. But given that, you know, I would say the opening in Europe is a tad bit debit. One would have expected, you know, a stronger opening there. There is a lot of optimism on the US-China trade deal, but I guess, you know, Brexit also remains on the investors' mind. March 12th is when the next vote is scheduled for, and I think end of March is the D-Day actually for Brexit. So maybe some bit of uncertainty over there, which is keeping the FTSE actually, the gains capped over there. But nevertheless, it opens about 0.25% higher. First up, our top stories. Frontline indices start the week slightly higher on positive global cues, backed by Infosys, ICICI and HDFC Bank. Nifty, Sensex near the day's high, mid-cap index in line.
Adani Port shares nosedive after the company acquires an agri-logistics group company at a premium for nearly 1,000 crores. Citi has downgraded the stock to neutral. Others have also downgraded their rating. Citi, though, says the deal raises questions on capital allocation policy at the group.
GST rate on premium housing has been cut to 5% and affordable housing to 1% without input tax credit. Axis Cap expects inventory woes to ease as the bulk remains in under construction stage.
Shares of Motilal Oswal and IIFL Holdings sulk after SEBI declares their commodity arms not fit and proper. IIFL's Nirmal Jain says legal opinion is being sought to appeal against the order. They see no impact on other businesses of the group.
And all roads lead to the CNBC-TV18 Rising India Summit in New Delhi this evening. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, opposition chief ministers and a bevy of cabinet ministers, as well as a whole host of other newsmakers will be present.
Okay, we'll have Ashwini join us in a bit, and we'll sort of market, put out trade bit. This is at the bottom of the screen. This is from the Met Department, and this is important. Mild El Nino conditions may persist, and I think
summer will be hotter this year. Winter was cooler, and so summer will be hotter this year.
So summer is always hotter, right? I mean, hotter relative
Every
to what?
Year.
The previous. I mean, yeah, that's the one. Summer may be hotter this year due to climate change. So that is the Met Department. But where is climate change? Is climate change true?
Prashant, it's a raging debate the world over.
Yeah, for some, huh? For some, only for some.
Yes.
Yeah, for others, it is a reality. Okay, let's bring in RPP in. The stock is in focus on the back of an order win. I mean, it's a 100-odd crore order. To discuss this in detail, Nithya, whole-time director of the company, joins us on the phone line. Ma'am, thank you very much. Good to have you here. Could you talk to us a little bit about the order? It's a quantum, I think, 100 crores from where, margins, and other sundry details?
It's 103 crores from Tamil Nadu slum board. It's an affordable housing. And the work is at Chennai. And the margin, EBITDA margin, which we quoted us around 9 to 10% can get from the project.
Okay. You know, these GST rate cuts that have been announced for affordable housing, do you see any change on your affordable housing portfolio?
No, ma'am. It's we are taking only from the Tamil Nadu government, so it doesn't feel any changes since our rate is quoted as per the test quoted. There won't be any changes in that.
So this is pure EPC, is it?
Yeah, it's pure EPC.
So under sub 10% margins?
Yeah, 10% margin.
Okay, in line with the company average, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's a building, this is the margin what we can get.
What else is happening, ma'am, on other segments? I mean, where else are you seeing some orders coming in? Where is the pipeline looking good?
Yeah, in water pipeline, we quoted around 300 crore worth of order in two projects we quoted. We are expecting more order from that line.
Sorry, where? Could you repeat that?
In water pipeline.
Water pipeline.
Yeah, pipeline.
Oh, okay, okay.
All right, Ms. Nitya, we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks very much for joining in. So that's another leg up for RPP Infra. They've already won about 1,500 odd crores till Q3 and another about 500 crores since then. So order book looking good. Here's a quick programming reminder. CNBC-TV18 has launched a special initiative in partnership with the National Stock Exchange. So on the 25th of every month, we'll tell you how investing in the stock market or equities can make you financially disciplined. This is a monthly program on the 25th of each month to inform and educate investors about smart investing practices and enabling the journey to wealth creation. You can catch the special coverage all through the day only on CNBC-TV18.